When it comes to productivity and time management software, Hibox is one of the options that stands out. But before you buy, here are 12 things you need to know. First, Hibox is known for its team collaboration features, but how does it stack up against the competition? While apps like Monday.com and Asana focus on task management and project tracking, Hibox brings a more integrated approach by combining task management with messaging, video calls, and file sharing all in one platform. Next, you should know that Hibox focuses heavily on team communication. If you already use tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams, Hibox aims to be an all-in-one solution, but you'll need to decide if you're ready to consolidate all your communication channels. This can help reduce app switching, but might feel overwhelming if you prefer specialized tools. The third thing to consider is its learning curve. Hibox's interface can feel a bit crowded at first, especially when compared to simpler platforms like Trello. However, once you get used to it, everything is in one place, which can boost efficiency in the long run. Next, Hibox has a unique task management system. Unlike others that just allow task assignments, Hibox allows you to create checklists within tasks, making it easier to track progress on subtasks. It's a useful feature if you often deal with complex projects that need breaking down into smaller steps. The fifth thing is its integration with Google Drive, Dropbox, and other tools. While this is pretty standard among productivity apps, the way Hibox integrates feels more seamless than some competitors, allowing you to access your files directly within the platform without jumping back and forth. Another feature to consider is its time tracking capabilities. Unlike software like ClickUp that provides more detailed time tracking features, Hibox has a simple time tracker that helps with monitoring team productivity, but lacks some of the advanced analytics that power users might need. The seventh thing is Hibox's mobile app. While it's available for both iOS and Android, it's not as polished as some other options like Todoist or Basecamp. If you plan to do most of your work on the go, this may be a deal breaker. The eighth thing is Hibox's pricing. It's priced competitively, but still might not be the cheapest option if you have a small team. If cost is a major factor, you might want to compare it to alternatives like Notion, which offers a free tier with decent functionality for smaller teams. Next, if you need customization, Hibox gives you some flexibility, but it's not as robust as competitors like Monday.com or ClickUp when it comes to tailoring your workflows. You can adjust settings and create boards, but it's not as flexible as some of the other productivity tools on the market. The 10th thing is its support. Hibox has a solid support team, but it's not as fast or as accessible as some of its competitors like Asana, which offers 24/7 live chat support. If responsive customer service is crucial to you, this might be a factor to consider. Another thing to keep in mind is Hibox's calendar feature. It's simple but effective, especially for scheduling meetings and tasks. It's not as feature-packed as something like Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar, but it gets the job done for team planning. The 12th thing is its overall value for small teams. If you have a smaller team or are a freelancer, Hibox can work well for collaboration, task management, and communication all in one. But for larger teams with more complex needs, platforms like ClickUp or Monday.com might offer more in terms of advanced features. Overall, Hibox is a solid option for team collaboration, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. However, if you're looking for something with more advanced features, better customization, or a more intuitive interface, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.